I know a lot of nurses that have chatted me up and they're looking for job outside Nigeria, outside Africa. They're looking for job in Europe. Okay, I've made this video before, but in this video I'm going to be sharing to you how you can apply for these jobs in the UK, especially if you are a certified nurse or a midwife with a lot of experience. I'm going to be sharing this video on my WhatsApp group, and I encourage every nurses there should apply for this. Don't give up, keep applying. You don't know when your opportunity would come. Well, before I'm going to go straight to what brought you to this video, I'm going to introduce myself to those of you that are just watching me for the very first time. My name is Samson Pius, and in this channel, I talk about relocation, I talk about opportunities. You see that word opportunities? This is where it was coined from. If you're looking for opportunities to travel to abroad or anywhere you want to, then I advise you to click that subscribe button, because when you click that subscribe button, you have this chance to see some of my videos popped in your feeds. Yes, I will be there and you might see what you like, and it might be your turning point. So I encourage you to press that subscribe button and you would not regret it. If you are my returning viewers, I want to say thank you, because only you guys have been my motivations to always come to do more videos. Like, without you, there is no way I would sit in front of this camera to want to share all these opportunities too. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. I encourage every one of you, both the returning viewers and my new subscribers, to always feel free to comment on my videos. Any question you want to ask, comment. I'm going to respond, and share this video to whosoever you think this video might be suitable for, and not just only you. Share this video, comment and like. It helps this video or this channel a ton. It helps the algorithm to recommend this video to a lot of people that might need this video. So I will appreciate if you help me do that. Have you heard of the NHS? Yes, the NHS job. I think I've done a video on it, but I'm going to throw more light on this, particularly for the nurse that are looking for a job outside Nigeria, outside Africa. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing my screen. There are tons of jobs in the UK. There are tons of jobs in the UK, and if you apply and you have a good credentials and document, you write your CV very well, and the chances of getting it is going to be high. I've made a video on how to write a CV. Probably some other time I'm going to make more videos on how you can actually write a very good CV to make your CV stand out, your statement of purpose, and those things that would make your application be the best, and so you'll be choosing. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so you can see the sites for yourself. Don't worry, the link of the video or the website, I'm going to share it below in the description. All you just need to do is to click on it, and you are going to be on the same website that I am in. So this is the website. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to leave. For some reasons I really don't know, but I just hope you can see my screen clearly. So I'm going to paste this link on the description, so you come here and search whichever thing you want to search. You can search for nurse, you can search for bed, people, what do they call these people that dresses the bed? You can search for caregiving jobs, you can search for all this. So when you search for all these jobs and you finally get one, they will give you a certificate of sponsorship. Then you can take the certificate of sponsorship to go and apply for your visa, your UK visa. So look at, there are 102 nurse jobs in UK, and just today's date is what? Today, I think today is 19 or 20. This is a night nurse. They need a night nurse 13th of May, and the pay is 46k per year. That's a lot. And this is 21 euro per hour, 19 to 21 euro per hour. This one came out 3rd of May. Let's go down. This is senior night nurse, 18th of May too. Registered night nurse, 9th of May, 15th of May. Let us check for this one that came out 15th of May, which is few days ago. So they need a permanent full staff. The home coffee is organized into 4. Okay, this is just like the explanation of the company. So we're going to click on it and let's see how you can apply. I don't intend this video to be long. I just want it to be straight to the point so you can now go and start applying. I've always said don't give up. If you give up, now you lose. So take your time to read about this company, read about their values, read about their mission. Everything is all here. So when you are applying for the job, or when you're asked to write probably a statement of purpose or whichever, you can consider writing. You can get stuff from here and connect it to your statement of purpose. So they will be aware that your vision is actually reflecting, or it reflects with their own vision. You understand? So you click here and apply. We are an equal opportunity employer and welcome application from all suitable qualified person, regardless of their race, sex, disability, religion, belief, sexual orientation, or age. So anybody can apply for this. They just need someone that is a skilled, trained, and a qualified nurse to have a fantastic opportunity for a career development. So take your time to read this, because I don't want to bore you with this, because I feel like you can read it on your own when you're free. Click on the apply. Let's see what we have. Then when you click on it, this is what comes out. This is, you fill this form, upload your CV. Okay, these, they didn't tell you to upload your they didn't tell you to upload your statement of purpose, which is cool. So apply for this and click on next, and you don't have anything to lose. It's free. If you think you have a nurse looking for a job and wants to relocate, please send this video to the person. I will encourage you to subscribe to this video. It helps this video a ton. Thank you very, very much. So I'm going to be wrapping it up here. It's very easy. I'm going to paste you the link, and when I paste you the link, it's very easy. I'm going to paste you the link, and when I paste you the link, you just click it, search for the nurse as I did, and you see a ton of nursing job, and apply as many as you can. There's no limit for which you can apply for. So once you apply for these jobs, you keep checking your mails every day, and you might be selected, and that is where your opportunity lies on. So if you think this video was helpful, I encourage you to subscribe, turn on your notification button for my next video so you can get to see me again. Like and share, subscribe, like, share, comment, whichever, everything. It's very, very important. It helps the algorithm of YouTube to be able to recommend this video to a lot of people that would need this video. So I come again your way next time. From this place, I am wishing you a very good night.